Hello my friends, this is Molly again. Many customers would like to know if we have Wi-Fi function. The answer is yes. Here I would like to introduce the Wi-Fi function about Holtop ERV. The Wi-Fi function brings us many conveniences. For example, it offers several language options like English, French, Italian, Spanish, etc. It monitors the local weather, the temperature, humidity, CO2 concentration, VOC at your hand for healthy living. Also, you can set the timeless switch, speeds, bypass, timer, filter alarm, temperature at your needs. You may also add the group control function. Yes, you got it. One app can control multiple units. We can say with the Wi-Fi function, you can control the ERVs anywhere and anytime, no matter you're out of home or laying in bed. What else would you like to know? Or any requirements? Please feel free to let us know.